Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you delete accounts on your StubHub app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on profile down here. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on contacts, you just click on it. When you click on contacts here, it's going to take you to next step when you click on contact. So just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. So then it's going to show for you like this. You click here on delete my account here. And here just click on delete my account. Then it's going to delete video on your StubHub pop-up. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.